Stop. There we go. Hey guys, and welcome back to Breadbox Racing and 4x4. Today, we're working on the MG again. We're going to get started finally repairing the firewall. As you can see, most of it was carved away. That was not me that did that, by the way. That was the last guy. I would not have hacked away as much as he did. I would have cut it because I would have had to, but just not to the same extent. Anyways, what we're going to do today is we're just going to patch the hole for the HVAC fan. Because of where the engine's sitting, we're going to have to build a new HVAC assembly that's inside. Not that I think that's a big deal. I already mostly have that figured out. So yeah, we're going to get started here. Okay, so it's a bit hard to see on the camera, but I've basically ground this round so that it fits nice and snug, and it should come out flush with the firewall. So now we just got to burn it in. Okay, so I'm just bending up a replacement patch panel for the middle of the firewall. I bent it using some rectangular sections I had sitting in the shop. I should have gone to work and used the finger brake. Would have turned out a lot better. The other thing you'll notice is that I had to cut the hole out bigger because the original hole was all jagged and horrible. Parts MG's going under the knife. Okay, so we gotta pull the brakes off, we gotta pull the heater core assembly off, all the various bits and pieces of hose, and then we start cutting. And hopefully I don't cut out too much, or actually rather I cut out too much. Hopefully I don't cut out not enough, because then I'm really up a creek. Anyways, we're gonna get started. Remember, Eye protection. Okay, so unfortunately over the last couple of months I've lost a bunch of footage, and then I got involved with this V8 swap in my Jeep. But hopefully here pretty soon I'll be back on the MG. I'll be able to bring you a bunch more footage. Get the firewall finished, get the trunk fixed, and just start knocking stuff out as soon as I can start ordering some parts. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.